Well, happy week 3. You've made it through those first 2 fun-filled, action-packed weeks. And now we are at week 3, search strategies. So this is really going to lay the groundwork for the rest of the semester. It's a really important week because you're also choosing your topic, and hopefully we have already had our student-teacher conference. So, you know what comes next. That's right, the PowerPoint. So check out to see what we're going to do this week, and I will talk to you later. So this week we're looking at search strategies from keyword to subject searching. As I said earlier, it really is going to lay the basis for where we're going to go throughout the rest of the semester. So knowing how to create searches will really help you as a student. So let's take a look at the overview. We do have another full week, so get started early. Remember, the module opens on Sunday. I would suggest taking a look at it on Sunday and planning your week accordingly. So let's take a look at our tasks. The first thing that you're going to do is, of course, complete the reading and watch the videos. You're also going to respond to week 3 discussion. There is a quiz, that is our research strategies quiz. You'll need to take that. Next is choosing your topic. That's what you're doing for your assignment this week. So make sure that you and I have met in our student-teacher conference and had a chat about it. That is part 1. The second part of that is you are going to submit it in a separate place because you're going to be doing a peer review. So what will happen is you will submit the exact same topic selection assignment in the topic selection peer review area, and then you'll be assigned to read 2 of your fellow students' assignments and give them some feedback. So it's an opportunity for you to kind of see what other people are choosing and to make some really cogent comments about them. Another thing for this week is our anonymous course feedback survey. Please take the time to do this. There are 3 really short questions. I just want to see how the course is working for you. Is there anything you're having difficulty with? And what else would you like to see in the course? Pretty darn simple. And it's completely anonymous. So you can make any comment you want. I welcome all feedback. And finally, you're going to submit your 5-minute reflection. So as you can see, we've got a lot of things to do this week. So you want to make sure that you get started early so that you don't fall behind. And the learning objectives for this week are going to be identify an information need, select an appropriate topic, develop a research strategy, and using Boolean operators, phrase searching, and truncation. I know that's library jargon. You're going to find out about it later, so get in on the reading. So first of all, you're going to be using the Information Literacy User's Guide and Open Online textbook. You're going to be reading Chapter 1, page 7 to 14. In that same book, you're going to be reading Chapter 3, pages 26 to 46. And the link to that is in Canvas. It's not anything you have to buy. Remember, all of our readings in this class are zero-cost readings, so everything is open access. And look at this. On our media this week, only 1 video, Boolean operators from science. I think you're going to find it really helpful. It also has some good information there on phrase searching. As always, if you hit a snag, ask for help. You can contact me through the Canvas inbox. That is our #1 contact. If the inbox is down for any reason, you can email me at lrosen@fullcall.edu. pick up the phone and give me a call at 714-992-7383. Make an appointment. Come in and see me in person. I'm right here on the first floor of the library. So I'm hoping that week 3 gets us set up. I'm hoping that you really have fun. I think you're going to enjoy it because now you really get to start looking at one topic. It's the topic you're going to use for the rest of the semester, so choose well. And I will talk to you soon.